Hi everyone, my name is Ricardo de Jesus Julio Mercado, and today I am going to talk you about the Vueltiao hat, a symbol of cultural heritage and the identity of the Senu people. Let me start with a little introduction. Us, the humans in our existence, characterized that by the search of meaningful moments that can be attached on a simple object. Despite the difference and the difficulties we are experiencing, the simple memory can cheer up our day and make us smile. The historical origin and ethnocultural context of the Vueltiao hat. This hat comes from the pre-Columbian Senu culture in the Sinu and San Jorge River valleys, today Córdoba and Sucre. Originally a simple white farmer hat, it evolved to include the black dramatic parent called pintas, reflecting Senu cosmogony, fauna, flora, and family structures. The manufacturing process and the materials. This hat is completely handmade from the arrow cane. The black threads came from cooking the fibers with mud and natural plants. The meaning of Vueltiao is stern, describing the circular sewing of the braids. This hat have a pair system or classification by quality. The quinciano, like this one, is the most common and rigid and one of the most used. The fine medium has 19 pairs and is more flexible than the farmer one. The semi-fine has 21 and 23 pairs and is a high standard craftsmanship. And the most highest one is the king, the most flexible and foldable without damage. The institutional recognition and the national impact. This hat was declared a national cultural symbol in 2004, and the prestige grew internationally via Miguel Happy-Lora and Gabriel Garcia Marquez, who used this hat. And in the festival like Barranquilla Carnival and Vallenato Legend Festival, this is a central piece. Well, the traditional use protects the farmers in the rural world from the sun rays, is central in the cumbia dancing and the courtship rituals on the Carnival of Barranquilla, and offers an aesthetic presentation better to the Vallenato Legend Festival. And the design complexly historically indicated the social status in the Senu culture. My personal reflection and the little story I want to tell you related with this hat is because when I was a kid in Mahates Bolivar, when I was 10-year-old, I was taken with my dad to see a horseman event. I really enjoyed that day. This hat represents a big part of that day because it was my first time using it. In that day, I even go and ride one of the horses. I felt like a cowboy that day. This simple hat represents a bridge into personal moment, cultural heritage, the past and the present. This simple hat represents a part of our story, a part we need to keep in our memories, in the memory of this country. Thank you very much.